Hi guys, DigiKit time. Yeah, I'm here with just a quick video to let you know that there are some more Fussy cut butterflies in the shop. Our fabulous Barb Dingwell has been digitally playing and, well, yeah, digitally, but she's been playing and digitally recolouring some kits from little kits and stuff for me. My labels, and then she did these butterflies. I'm just way behind on getting this stuff done. I don't know how well it's showing up on the camera, and unfortunately yours will not have these lines on them when you print them out. That is because my print heads needed cleaning and I didn't realise until after I'd printed them. Anyway, they will also not be 4 to a page, they will be one full sheet. It's up to you how you print them. So there are 4 of these sort of like reddy browny tones, which is so cool. The more, I don't know, I'd say these are more like autumnal colours, which are cool for this time of year. Then there are 4 of these purple tones. That one, it is a little bit purpley, I'd say, more maroony colour, I don't know. But anyway, these are definitely purple, although that's showing blue. I print these on 80 GSM printer paper, so they always turn out slightly different anyway than what they would if you printed them on, say, like sticky paper or matte photo paper or cardstock or whatever. But, you know, I'd still say that's a deep blue purple. But my colour tones are different to yours. So anyway, and like I said again, the lines won't be on yours. That's just because my print heads needed cleaning. And then we have some blues and turquoises. Turquoisey, green, teal coloured. I love these. Yeah, and I've stuck with the same butterfly because I find that one quite easy to cut out. Like when fussy cutting. But yeah, so like I said, you will not get them 4 to a page, you will get them one. You'll get them all individually as one, and then it's up to you how you print them out. Like I said, I just printed them 4 to a page to show you guys in quick, you know, succession really, how they print or how they look when they're printed. And by manipulating the colours on them, she's manipulated the background colour as well. So, you know, you could still use them as a page or journaling cards. If you print 4 to a page, they're really good journaling card size, actually. But yeah, so you get 4, 8, 12 prints altogether. 12 different colour tones. Some of them print out very similar tones, but like I said, that all varies depending on your make and model of printer, whether you're printing on inkjet or laser printer, what papers you're printing on, what saturation and all that sort of stuff. It, you know, each one will print out differently, but I just wanted to quickly come on and show you guys. That is the newest Fussy cut kit going into the shop. So you get 12 pages, and then like I said, all these 12 will come as individual prints, and then it's up to you how you want to print them out, as A4 pages or 4 to a page, 2 to a page, whatever you like. But yes, and the usual terms and conditions apply. As you said, you can fussy cut each one of them out and have loads of butterfly images to use, or use them as full sheets. That's why I added a background to them. I used one of the tea-dyed hexagon or hexagon tea-dyed papers as the background when I did these. So as I said, because Barb has digitally manipulated the colours, she's also manipulated the colour of the background to match as well, so that is awesome. Yeah, thank you so much, Barb, for having a play for me. Thank you guys for your ongoing support, and I shall get these up into the shop as soon as possible. If you are watching this video, they will already be in the shop, and the link to them, the listing, will be below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.